Welcome, and follow me, say Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So we'll start off by actually turning off the device, hold the power key, and select power off, and confirm it. Now once the device shuts off, we will hold volume up, power key, and home button. So let's start holding all of them all at the same time. So, and you will see now a little message right here. It's barely visible, but us stating that it's booting into the recovery. And now we're in the recovery mode. From here you can simply reboot the system. You can apply updates from external storage, wipe data, wipe cache, and apply updates from cache. So, and to navigate you will use volume up and down and confirm it with the power key. But for this purpose I'm just gonna select again reboot system now and confirm it with the power key to leave this mode. So now the device will boot back into the normal Android. It'll take just a second. And that is basically how you access the recovery mode and also how you leave it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.